Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this video. And we're going to talk about this page in just a minute. I am going to go somewhere else right now, but going to come back. It's not going to be long though, okay? And we're going to talk about this very exciting, this very important page, okay? All right, so bear with me for the next couple of minutes. And I want to share one other thing with you. And like I said, I want to come back. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's look at this together. Okay. It says, are you ready to make some money? Unlock your financial success relatively quickly. Okay. And I'm introducing what I believe is the perfect side hustle business opportunity. Okay, we've got low startup costs, we've got high profit potential. It is a global business opportunity. Okay, you're able to make residual income and build ongoing income effortlessly with our program. All right, and repeat savings. Okay, access daily deals over and over, make money and save money. Okay, plus we have a fast start program where you can quickly earn, and you can earn $25 fast starts and up to 100% matching bonus. Now I have all of this information in my Make Money Online personal growth newsletter. Okay, there is absolutely no cost to sign up, and you can unsubscribe at any time. All right, so learn about my perfect side hustle opportunity again, which is a low cost and potentially very profitable business opportunity. Okay, also I've got information in my newsletter about my online store, which currently contains over 350 unique products. Okay, various products like personal care items, dietary supplements, beauty products, health products, and hair, pet products, electronics, all kinds of stuff, guys. Okay, you can get all of that information in my Make Money Online and personal growth newsletter, because we talk about personal growth and development. We talk about motivation and inspiration. We share some information with you on building your business. Also, man, we share advertising, where you can advertise and where you can get leads and all this kind of stuff. So I want you to go there and sign up. There's going to be a link in the description area of this video for my newsletter. And also, man, I'm gonna leave a link in the description area of this video. Gonna leave a link for this advertising program. Okay, so stay with me for the next couple minutes. We're gonna get right into it. All right, let's do it. Okay, as you can see, attention, this is a one-time special free offer for you. 50,000 visitors delivered to any website. Free, no strings attached. Read this page carefully, and I will leave the link to this page so that you can check things out for yourself. Okay, so we're introducing really the number one source for instant, real, live visitors just for joining. It's absolutely free to join. Okay, and you'll get 500,000 ad credits to use them anytime to any website. Folks, this is incredible. You can't pass this up. Okay, and so again, I'm going to leave the link to this website where you can get signed up. Now just look here for me, and I'm about to close this video out. Plus, get 18 traffic generating memberships. What? At no cost. Yeah, you know what? I had looked at this before and I just kind of bypassed it, but then I start using it and things began to happen. I started to see more people signing up to my newsletters, and This is going to be amazing for you as well. Okay, so you're going to get 18 traffic generating memberships at no cost. This includes SEO Optimizer Pro for 90 days free, and our auto mailer, which sends, look at this, sends to over 50 top lists and over 100,000 subscribers. You get 30,000 ad credits every month, plus download over 250 cutting edge ebooks, websites, and more free. Okay, so let me see, is that all I want to share on this video? Let me just pause for the cause and I'll be right back with you. Okay, now in closing, after you sign up, we'll give you details on our exciting bonus offer below. And I'm going to leave the link to this page. Okay, sign up for free. Hey, check things out. If you don't like it, get out of it. Okay, it's that simple. But if you're marketing online, you want more eyes on your product, service, your opportunities, you want to build a business, this is where you can make things happen. And we've got all kinds of things to help you to build a business online. Okay, but there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, and I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.